Coming from the basement, coming from the hardcore, coming from the black heart, coming from the purple toe, coming from the chrome heart, coming from the soldier land, coming from a swollen chested soldier. What you want this man? You don't even want this man. You know you do not want this man. I done put myself in a lot of shit. I done put myself in a lot of shit. I don't want no pain, nah, I don't want no rain, but I keep going through pain. I keep going through things, but I roll me up a wood and I smoke the pain away. I don't want no pain, I'ma be okay. I'ma keep on running, I'ma get that bang. I'ma keep on stomping, know that I'm gon' be straight. I'ma keep on grinding, feeling we gon' be great. God please help this youngin'. You know what I'm going through, I'm hurting. But I'ma keep on going, keep running, and I ain't gonna stop for nothing. I don't want no pain, no more of this pain. Rain, go away. Rain, can you please go away? I don't want no pain, no more pain for this man. Rain, please go away. Rain, please go away. Rain, please go away. Please go away.